Welcome back. The next Fusion fight is in the minus 67 kilogram division. Fighting out of the blue corner, representing Somalia. Yes, Van Hunen!
So we move on, don't we? We move on and see what is going on in the world of Fusion. These are two fights I've never seen fight before. Yes, Van Hunen, originally from Somalia. 17 fights, 12 wins, 2 losses, 3 draws, 2 wins coming by way of KO. The weight is 67 kilos, 147 pounds. Welterweight. Let's see.
Well, then his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, representing Prussia, Matum Gichandra Singh!
So Matum Chichandra Singh then, 18 years of age, the 21-year-old Van Hunen, 9 fights, 6 wins, 3 losses, not seen him fight before, do not know what's going to go on, what's going to go down. Unknown quantity to me. The Indian fighter.
Well, there he is, Matum Gichandra Singh. The man fighting out of the blue corner. 9 fights on his record, 6 victories and 3 defeats. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, your applause for Matum Gichandra Singh. His opponent in the red corner, 17 fights on his record, 12 victories, 2 defeats and 3 draws. 2 of his winning fights by way of a knockout. Yes! Van Hunen! This Fusion fight in the minus 67 kilogram division is scheduled. 3 rounds of 3 minutes. In case of a draw, we have an extra must-win round. The referee is Mr. Joop Ubeda, and this fight is sponsored by MBC.
So, Singh in the blue and green with Muay Thai writing across the front. The red shorts, very fetching, is GS Hunen, Van Hunen. So, we'll see what happens here. Our referee is Mr. Joop Ubeda. Yes, looks in extremely good shape. We'll see. 3 3-minute rounds of Fusion rules action here in Abu Dhabi, ladies and gentlemen. Live view with me, Vinny Shulman, as ever. Ringside with you on Fusion here in Abu Dhabi. Round 1. Let's see. Fast combination. Van Hunen, good punches. Heavy leg kick. From the youngster. You know, you can't see off camera, but I'm going to tell you. The corner man, the coach, is on his phone while his boxer's fighting. What's that about? Not in the Dutch corner, of course, the Indian corner. So, yeah, good, not the best idea, mate, but there you go. Each to their own. And then Van Hunen then just trying to walk him down. Better hands. Better boxing skills. Kicking heavy inside the leg. Is Singh. Ooh, good counter. He gets splattered, this kid in the blue. Gonna, he really is. Chin's too high. Cornerman's too busy looking up. I don't know. Just not saying anything, just sat with his... I get it, I really don't get it. He'll catch him, this kid, he will. Van Hoonen. Set yourself at all times, kid, and he's got absolutely his head get punched into orbit. Telling him what to do. Behind me, the ditch fans. Oh. Kid's gonna get hurt. This thing. Good shots. What a surprise that is. Kid's not gonna get out of this round, don't believe. Corner is an absolute comedy show, really, man. Poor kid. Gonna get smoked here. He's gonna get something big. He's gonna catch him. If he survives this round, I'll be very, very surprised. Surprised around just by holding on for dear life, and dear life it's needed. Looks wobbly. Even looked at the ref then.
The end of the first round.
You know what? If you know me, you know I don't always get it right, and I don't always get overexcited at things. Really, and get excited at things that you wouldn't. I'm just like that. But listen, here's what I'm honest about. This corner man is an absolute joker, and he was on his phone and saying nothing while his box was getting punched in the head. And if you're over enthusiastic in the corner, I would prefer that than not saying anything, because his boxer is going to take a shellacking in this round. And don't say I never told you, and don't say I warned you. And here's how it is. If you find a coach, they have got to want to care for you while you're in there, because it's a very unforgiving game. And this boxer will not go out of this round. I will stake my reputation on it. Not that it means anything to most people. Round number 2 then. This is on fire. Van Hoonen, who's done a good job. His timing's nice. Good little find, this kid. Left up, right hand. Hasn't got any idea how to defend himself, this boy in the blue. Wait a little bit too long, Van Hoonen could take him out. He got the right hand landed clean. Looked at the floor, still stunned. Hands in the air. His corner is watching the other boxer instead of his. Long left hook. And he just keep his hands tight, just throw him now. Get him out of there. And just missing by millimetres. Right into the wall. That's a good shot. That hurt him, that did. Throw the towel in, your comedy show. Yeah, good. I told you, didn't I? Worst corner man I've ever seen in my life. Pack it in, mate. You shouldn't even be putting fighters in there, you joker. I don't care what people think of what I've said. I will say it. A great performance there by the youngster. Yes, Van Hoonen looks a bit of a find. But, I mean, this kid was getting a shellacking and, boom, body shot there. And he just delayed reaction and he felt that. Bless him. He tried his best. But the instruction was 0, the enthusiasm was 0, and the win was a million miles from where it was ever going to be. Commiserations to the youngster. That is Singh, but here's a tip, kid. Go and get another trainer, because that one is useless. I say things that other commentators may not say, but I don't care. As long as someone gets safe and they're happy and healthy, that's all that matters to me. So, ladies and gentlemen, coming up is a very, very good fight indeed between two very good stylists who are very good corners, paramount, in my opinion, when it is needed. So, Mikael Garcia,
yes, van Hunen and Matum Chandra Singh. When the winner of this fight after 1 minute and 20 seconds in the second round is the man in the red corner, Yes van Hunen.
Well done to Yes van Hunen. Easy day for him.